Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron your trousers full guide. Lay the trousers flat and smooth out any wrinkles by hand before you press. Set your iron to the fabric setting and test on a hidden seam. Start with the pockets and waistband, then move to the legs, pressing gently along the creases. Use steam for stubborn wrinkles and finish with a light spray of water if needed. Begin by ironing the upper thigh area, working from the crotch toward the knee with smooth, even strokes. Align the side seams and press the leg flat to form a crisp crease. Move the iron slowly and apply steam to set the crease, avoiding repeated passes in one spot. For wool or silk, use a pressing cloth and lower heat, and always finish by hanging trousers immediately to maintain shape. If you're enjoying this handy guide, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers that make lunches simple and tidy, and they pair nicely with a neat wardrobe routine. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick up the same ones. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter stubborn creases, lift the iron and apply a steam burst while holding the fabric taut, then smooth by hand. For shine or polish marks, turn trousers inside out and press on the reverse or use a cloth barrier. Scorched areas may respond to gentle steaming and reshaping, but seek professional help for major damage. Always allow trousers to cool before wearing to lock in the crease and avoid new wrinkles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.